Hello and welcome back to KNF Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie and I try to bring a wide variety of different craft projects to you. If you ever have a craft project you would like me to show you how to make or just want to see me try to make it, let me know down below and I'll try my best to bring that to you. If you like today's craft project, make sure to hit those thumbs up. It really does mean a lot to me and it helps bring my crafting videos to more crafters like you. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any of our crafting fun. So with that, let's get crafting. Today I'm going to try to take this little basket from Dollar Tree and turn it into a teacup. I have seen the little teacup at Aldi's. They have this little teacup that you can put a flower in. I thought I've seen people bend these by pressing them in, so I wonder if I could make a teapot out of this, in case you can't find those ones at Aldi's, and this one will be $1. I was hoping to find the basket that was just a little bit taller, but of course my Dollar Tree did not have items when I was looking for it, so we'll see. I think this will still work. So I'm just kind of slowly working at it to bend the base down to form the saucer of the teacup. This little area here is going to give me a little bit of trouble, so I might put my teacup handle there to help cover it up. When you buy this, also just make sure you watch out. I saw one and some of these are all messed up at the bottom, so I had to go back and exchange it. Actually, I exchanged it before I checked out. I saw it beforehand, so just make sure you check that. I think that's getting a nice shape there. There we go, we have a blue background, so it'll be a little bit easier to see. And then you could even kind of bend that a little bit. I think I want it. I'm trying to do more of a lip here, but I think I like it kind of like that. Let's make sure this is all popped out. And then I saw this pack at Dollar Tree. I had it already on hand. For the handle, I think that could work if you use the larger trash can, but since I could only find the small one, I'm gonna have to make my own handle. I already had this copper wire on hand. This is 18 gauge copper wire. It's nice and thick. This was already started. This is what I used to make the heart that held my wedding rings on at my wedding. So I think that could be nice to do as a handle. And actually, seeing it here, I was gonna spray paint it white, but the gold's kind of nice just to make it stand out a little bit. So there is our little teacup. This probably could be smoothed out a little bit more, but and I just did hot glue to secure it there. It'd be even more secure if you did like I did up here, where you twist the wire around the basket. You can even do like a super glue as well. So we'll see how long the hot glue works there. But now we just need to add a flower to a little teacup. Again, I would not put this outside in an area that it's going to get a lot of water and rain and all the elements. If you put it outside, make sure maybe it's covered, because I don't expect this Dollar Tree basket to weather well. So you could put whatever you want in your little teacup here, but I thought it would be cute to put a flower pot. That way, with the netting stuff, it doesn't fall through. Unfortunately, my flower pot is still a little big for the tiny trash can. If I had that large one, it would have been perfect. But I thought, again, I don't have flowers outside yet, so I'm just gonna use some fake flowers that I have. And maybe kind of droop some stuff around so you don't see my flower pot. Maybe even doing a white flower pot would be better. But I'm gonna fill this up with some flowers and we'll see how it looks. I may have gone a little overboard with all the greenery, but I think I was trying to hide the brown vase there, but I think it looks good. Real flowers are always prettier, but I think that actually would be a really pretty display on a table somewhere. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I look forward to crafting with you next week. Bye for now.